Hello children, your ma'am is back with the session number 3 of the chapter number 7, Time Goes On. Today we will learn more about calendars and also we will learn about the timeline. But before that, let's do revision of what we learned in our previous session. We learned that a year has 12 months. List of months which have 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October and December. Similarly, the list of months which have 30 days. April, June, September and November. February has 28 or 29 days. 7 days make a week. Now come to page number 107 of your textbook. Complete the calendar for August 2020. Color all the Sundays in red. Now, here we are supposed to complete the following calendar of August 2020. You can find the first date on the Saturday. Done? Good. Now after 1, we have 2. But it is Sunday. So we will write 2 with red color. Then 3. After that 4 on Tuesday. 5 on Wednesday. 6 on Thursday. 7 on Friday. 8 on Saturday. Again, next day is Sunday. So we will write 9 with red color. In this way, you have to complete your calendar. You will get this kind of calendar. Am I correct? Yes. Now first, complete your calendar in the textbook. Now we have some questions related to this calendar. The first question is, on which day does this month end? From the calendar, it is clear that 31st is the last date of the month. And it is which day? Yes, Monday. So Monday is the last day. Next question. Write the number of days in this month. Yes, 31. Next, what day is it on 13th August? Find out from the calendar. Yes, it is Thursday. Move further. What is the date on the second Saturday? Now look at the column of Saturday and find out the second number. Yes, you can see 8. So the date on the second Saturday is 8th, or we can say 8th August. Next question. Is the 21st a Sunday? Do it by yourself. Very good. Answer is no. Because on the 21st we have Friday. Next question. What is the day on the 29th? What will be the date on the same day next week? Here we have two questions. So for the first one, yes, you can find that it is Saturday on the 29th. Now you have to count 7 days after 29th August because there are 7 days in a week. Let's count together. 30th August, 31st August, 1st September, 2nd September, 3rd September, 4th September and 5th September. So we can say there will be 5th September 2020 on the same day next week. And the last question, how many Thursdays are there in this month? Look at Thursdays column. How many dates can you see there? Yes, you can see 6, 13, 20 and 27. That means 4 dates. So we can say there are 4 Thursdays in this month. Next topic is the true story of Pedki Devi. My timeline. My name is Pedki Devi. I live in a village in Dhanbad district, Jharkhand. I never got a chance to go to school. I remember that when I was 5 years old, I broke my foot. I had climbed a tree to eat the jamun fruit, but the branch broke and I fell down. My foot still hurts in winter. While grazing our goats, we often got busy in playing. Once, at the age of 10 years, I got a big scolding because I had lost one goat. At the age of 15 years, I was married. My husband was much older than me. My first daughter was born 3 years after my marriage. That means at the age of 18 years. Later I had 3 more children when I was 20, 22 and 24 years old. That means she had her second child at the age of 20 years, third child at the age of 22 years and fourth child at the age of 24 years. Time passed very fast then. I was busy with my farm, housework and looking after my animals. But at the age of 35 years, my world came to a stop. My husband fell ill and died. His brothers tried to take away our farm. They beat me badly and said I was a witch. Some good people saved me. We fought a case against those who beat me up. At the age of 40 years, I saw a police station for the first time. When I was 45, I learned to read and write. 2 years later, I got my eldest daughter married. That means at the age of 47 years. Now I am 50 years old. I enjoy playing with my grandchild. 2 of my children are studying in school. So, this was the story of Pedki Devi. Now, some things that happened in her life are given below. Mark the following on her timeline. For example, when she was 5 years old, Pedki broke her foot. A is marked at 5 on the timeline. First of all, let me explain to you that what is the timeline. Timeline is a graphical representation of a period of time on which important events are marked. In order to solve this question, first of all, let's write down the age for every case. First, for A, yes, 5 years. For B, she lost 1 goat. 10 years. C, she got married. 15 years. D, she had her 4th child. Yes, 24 years. E, first saw a police station. That means the age when she saw a police station for the first time. Very good, 40 years. Next one, learned to read and write. 45 years. And the last one, eldest daughter got married. Very good, 47 years. Now let's mark on the timeline. Mark B on 10 like this. Next, mark C in between 10 and 20 because 15 comes in between 10 and 20. Then mark D in between 20 and 30 because 24 comes in between 20 and 30. Now mark E on 40. After that, mark F and G like this. Remember, F represents 45 years and G represents 47 years. Clear? Very good. Now it's your homework time. Kindly refer page number 109 for this homework. Make your own timeline, ask people around you and mark at least one thing that happened in each year of your life. Kindly do this homework in your textbook. So here we have completed our session number 3. We will learn how to see the time in a clock in our next session. Thank you.